try to act tough, but you ain't, 'cause you're just a little girl when you wanna scream, and I know I'm gonna get you. You think you're big with that little rank on your chest, and you don't know what I'm talking about, well, you're gonna rest. 'Cause I don't care if you are a officer, and I don't really care if you're higher than me, I'm still gonna be stepping on your face. That's a disgrace. 'Cause if you don't understand, then I'm gonna have to be standing up tall when you're down on your feet thinking I'm crazy. 'Cause I think I'm just gonna be doing what I wanna do, 'cause that's what I do, and you're just gonna have to deal with it all. 'Cause that's the way I work, and I don't care who you are, I don't care what you wear, but I'd really know that you're gonna go and leave me the hell alone. 'Cause you think you're crazy, but I know that I'm crazier every single time. So go ahead and try my patience, I'm just gonna be my own kind of guy. I don't really care who you are, and I don't care where you're from. I think I've said this plenty of times before, maybe you should listen instead, you're trying to run. But when you try to run from me, I'm still gonna get you and stomp on down on your face. In your face. Like I said before, I really don't care if you're an officer or a higher rank. I don't care if you think that you're gonna spank on me. You think I'm scared of getting smoked? That's just a fucking joke. You think I'm gonna go a little crazy? Yeah, 'cause you're gonna push me, and you're gonna try and get me to do things that I wanna do. So I'm just telling you now, don't you push me down, I'm just gonna go a little crazy on you. So go ahead and try my patience, I'm gonna see you die. And once I do, then I'll be smiling in the background, 'cause I really don't care if you die.